Pardon me, Crinkles. Are you really going to eat that cereal with that spoon? I get it. Any way is the right way to eat cereal, as long as it's Post-Sugar Rice Crinkles. Clever, Crinkles. You know Post-Sugar Rice Crinkles are so good, so different, too. Because it's the only crisp rice cereal that's crinkled with delicious honey and sugar. The greatest cereal treat on earth. You see, any rice cereal's a circus of fun, as long as it's Post-Sugar Rice Crinkles.
Most any cereal is fine with me, as long as you spell it P-O-S-T, 'cause all Post cereals happen to be
just a little better.
A little bit better. A little bit better than any other cereal happens to be.
So crinkle on down to the store for Post-Sugar Rice Crinkles.